Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox badges. Badges are a fantastic way to reward players and add depth to your game. They serve as virtual achievements, celebrating player milestones and accomplishments within your experience. You can design up to 5,000 unique badges for each game, offering a wide range of rewards. Let's dive into the process of creating these exciting in-game collectibles. To begin, open your Roblox experience within Roblox Studio. Once loaded, head over to the Asset Manager, which you can find in the View tab. From there, select the Badges section and click on Create New to start designing your badge. Remember to upload a clear, unique image for your badge, ideally sized at 128 by 128 pixels for optimal display. Next, you'll configure your badge's properties. Give it a concise name and a detailed description explaining how players can earn it. This clarity helps players understand the achievement. You'll also set the badge's cost in Robux. Typically, this is 100 Robux per badge. Finally, decide if the badge should be active immediately or if you want to enable it at a later time. The final step is to programmatically award your badges within your game. You'll use a script to detect when a player meets the specific conditions you've set for earning the badge. The badge service, award badge, function is crucial for this. Just make sure your script references the correct unique badge ID for each achievement, and your players will start earning those awesome rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.